Good morning. Yesterday my office represented a young lady at an ASU Code of Conduct hearing. On average, we represent probably, while we represent most likely 200 at least ASU students for various offenses. Out of the couple hundred, I would say maybe 25 could result in an ASU Code of Conduct hearing. Maybe a little bit higher than that. But for purposes of this video, let's talk about the ASU Code of Conduct hearing. If you've committed an offense on campus, so underage drinking, or sometimes even the more serious offenses, which I think for the more serious offenses, when we're talking about expulsion, we'll get into that in a different vlog. But if it's a minor incident, like a minor consumption, minor possession, fake ID, sometimes for acting disorderly, and it happens on campus or one of the apartments around campus, ASU will take action with the disciplinary committee. And so what we do is, if the client has a criminal offense, so it's at the Tempe Court to the University Lakes Justice Court, and they also have an ASU hearing, our representation includes both the criminal aspect of it as well as the ASU hearing. So it's always good, especially for the parents who are concerned about their children, their child students, and live out of state. And what I let everyone know is we play two roles. The first role would be from a lawyer standpoint, but also from a parental standpoint. So we're able to go to the hearing with the student, be an extra set of eyes and ears, make sure they're not saying anything that could potentially jeopardize their criminal, because you do have to keep in mind anything that's said within the ASU Code of Conduct hearing can be used for the criminal hearing. So we don't want to say anything, have our client say anything against their interests or anything that could result in further action on the criminal side. For instance, yesterday they started asking our client questions about who else was involved. They wanted names, and I said that, we're not going to get into any of that. We're just here to talk about my client. I've noticed in my years of experience and practice that if our client is involved in a fraternity or sorority, ASU can get a little involved with the specifics of that, and I don't think that they're big advocates of the Greek life. And so if they can use our client as sort of a way of getting into the fraternity or the sorority to get more information, to investigate, to get more students in trouble, then they try to do that. So we sort of nip that in the bud and say, look, this is just for our clients. We're not here to discuss anybody else's case. So they try to meddle in the situation. So it's always a good idea. It's a great idea to have a lawyer present at these ASU Code of Conduct hearings. We can definitely help our clients, again, prevent them from saying anything that would be against their interests, but also minimize the consequences from ASU. So if you or one of your children has an ASU Code of Conduct hearing scheduled, give us a call. We'll be more than happy to help you out. 602-980-1987.